everyone. Welcome to a special Thanksgiving episode of Uncle Mikey Needs to Eat. I was actually saving this for Thanksgiving dinner, but somebody was kind enough to invite poor old Uncle Mikey over for a nice festive celebration of all that we are thankful for. But I didn't want the food to go to waste, and I thought maybe there are some people out there who could use a suggestion for what maybe they might want to have for their Thanksgiving dinner. So with no further ado, we have the Hungry Man Turkey Roasted Carved White Meat Turkey Dinner. Roasted Carved White Meat Turkey Dinner. A suitable substitution for anybody's Thanksgiving, really. And if you have a couple of people over and you want to go this route, maybe this will be a helpful review for you. You'll know whether or not the cranberry sauce is any good. So, this is, it's got white meat turkey, creamy mashed potatoes, gravy, seasoned stuffing, and mixed vegetables, and includes an apple cranberry dessert. So I'm sorry, I thought it was just cranberry sauce just by the picture on the box there, but it's apparently got apples in there as well. Easy instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. We're not going to do that. Microwave oven. Remove film from the dessert. Cut slit in film over mixed vegetables. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Turn back film. Rearrange turkey slices. Gotta do a little cooking here, apparently. Rearrange the turkey slices, stir stuffing and potatoes, replace film, and return tray to microwave oven. Then microwave on high for 3 more minutes. Let stand 1 minute in the microwave oven, and then stir the potatoes a third and final time. Well, I guess second and final time. So, yeah, and then not included in these instructions are fight with your family, argue over politics, talk about the mask stuff. And if you're in California, remember, put your mask on, and in order to take a bite, you have to kind of jam it underneath the mask and then chew, all while keeping your eyes closed for fear that any tears could spread the virus. Oh, also, before I get too far into this, Hungry Man does have other options for those of you who might not like turkey. There's apparently a very nice home-style meatloaf, Salisbury steak, and a boneless fried chicken. You can see all those there. No vegan options. I hope all of you are enjoying your Thanksgiving. I'm assuming you're all going to be sitting around watching this on Thursday, skipping the football games. Look at that. It's frozen. The vegetables are in a nice block right there. Here's your dessert product. And then this whole thing over here, there's the mashed potatoes, gravy and turkey, and the stuffing underneath where it is stuffed. All right, I'm gonna just kind of cut the film off here. There we go. So that's all clear now. And then cut a slit. There's a slit in the vegetables. And I guess you leave the turkey and the mashed potatoes and the stuffing all alone. And let's see. We got, I know I just went over this. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. All right, microwave on high for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a long time, but it's not as long as a normal Thanksgiving dinner takes to create. That's at least 35 minutes. How many of you out there have been waiting for a turkey to be done for like 5 hours? That happens. Oh, I almost forgot. I have a couple of people to mention. My cousin Rob reached out to me and informed me that whenever there's a new Uncle Mikey Needs to Eat, he likes to watch it in the bathroom during his morning routine. So, Rob, hope you have a great day. Oh, a new friend, Lori, is a big fan. She is helping spread the word, sharing to everybody out there how wonderful my YouTube channel is. She says I'm funny. I don't see it. Whatever. And of course, my mom and dad, watching every episode and not commenting, liking, or subscribing to any of it. So I appreciate that. Thank you. Actually, I think they may have subscribed to me because my subscription went from 26 to 27 the other day. And that was right after we had talked, and I said that you need to subscribe because who knows when another Uncle Mikey is going to pop up. I was trying to do it on a fairly regular schedule, but that didn't work out. If anybody has any suggestions or thoughts, things that they'd like to see, please comment. Send me a message however you might want to do that. I'm not running out of ideas, but I want to make sure that everybody is getting their full value out of this program. And there we go. So it's now time to stir it and other stuff. Right, so now it wants me to peel back the film and rearrange the turkey slices, stir the potatoes and the stuffing and the vegetables, I guess, probably too. Some of that's hot. Some of it's frozen. I'm burning myself and getting frostbite at the same time. I don't know how I'm supposed to stir the frozen potatoes. Wow. This is just gonna be great, I can tell. Flipping this back in here. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the microwave for 3 minutes and then let it stand for 1 minute after it's done. Much like Thanksgiving dinner, there's a lot of waiting that happens during this preparation. This is good. I'll get the film off first so you can see the full effect. Just like Mom used to make in a floppy plastic container. All right, looky there. Aren't you all excited? We got somewhat cooked potatoes. I don't know if there are frozen lumps in here or not. Oh, no frozen. No frozen. Might be cold, but it's not frozen. Stirring that around. Let's see what we got. The one thing I'm not happy about here is that none of this is segregated. It's all in a big pile, a big messy pile. But I don't know, looks like it might be good. It's very hot. All right, I'm gonna try the potatoes first here. Put it on a plate, like a civilized person. We can eat out of our plastic without burning ourselves. All right, here's the potatoes. Well, it's not as good as the bag of potato flakes, but oh man, that's awful. That's really not good. All right, now the turkey, which has mashed potato all over it, so that's not going to help. All right. All right, well, how do you screw up turkey, right? Let me count the ways. Potatoes are awful. Let's see, these stuffing. Do you call it stuffing or dressing? We always call it stuffing. I guess the difference is if it's inside the bird when it was made, it was stuffing. And if it's, you know, in a casserole dish or something, it's dressing. I don't know what this would be because it was probably never inside of a bird. Well, stovetop it is. It's the same stuff that stovetop is. And it's not any better. All right, vegetables. We got corn, green beans, and carrots. I'll try and get a little bit of all that on the fork here. Right there. Best part of the meal. Oh, wait, maybe the dessert is. Who knows? Let's see. And this is just, it's just like a bowl of this stuff. There's no graham cracker. It would have been nice to have like a little graham cracker crust underneath it or something like that. Maybe like a pie type thing, but it's just this gloopy, gelatiny type mix. I'm so glad I got invited to Thanksgiving dinner. So, well, folks, this is not a win. This is not a good substitute. Happens once in a while. Sometimes there's a fail. Hungry man, go back to the drawing board. Your turkey is dry and I would say flavorless, but that's not true because it doesn't have a good flavor. It's not terrible. Ew. No, I'm wrong. I just got like a hard thing in there somewhere. I have no idea what that was. I'm gonna spit this out. Oh, that's not good. All right, folks, that's another spectacular episode of Uncle Mikey Needs to Eat. Uncle Mikey really still needs to eat. You may see me again in this shirt in a few minutes. Got some Indian food I might try. All right, bye for now.